Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to give you the store update for the next few weeks, and so here we go. So here is the liquidation station. This is our little island that we get to have, and we have put some new stuff. See, we've got our turkey hats, some nutcrackers, the plush polar bear, we got our magician game, and of course our remote control games, stuff like that. We did finally sell the fat cat, and as you can see, tons of the mermaid tails sold. And so we have got all of this available at the liquidation station. We're still kind of stocking the shelf. Now here's some changes. We put a lot more toys on this end cap. Seems like toys is our big seller there, so we've got some mini dinosaurs, some squishy balls, pig noise putty, some bouncing balls are new. Then we've got Shopkins and Wonder Woman kind of makeup sets with chapstick and stuff. We've got some make your own necklaces. We of course have our candy club, which is a really fun thing that continues to sell, as well as our hats. Then we're going to wander around to this side. We do have a Minnie Mouse purse there. We've got some dino excavation kits. We need to restock those. We're almost out. We have one of each left. We've got some rocket shooters, some dinosaur racetracks. We did restock the wooden rubber band pistols because those are a hot seller. We've got the back scratchers there. We've also got some of the Minecraft stuff. We've got the puzzle game there that you build your own little pneumatic machine. And then we have, of course, some of our toys available still. X-Shot, some airplanes, some putty, some of the Easy Pockets, and of course the KN95 masks and our nice backpacks. Then on the end cap we've got the origami kits. We added the grow your own hedgehog blue or green options. We've got some Oster blenders, which we put down there. Then we also have, of course, our baseball plates, our copper straws. We've got some hats, some Tequila Gold's cologne. And then we're going to kind of wander around her store. She's got a whole baby section right here on the front end cap. We've got our lamps and tons and tons of school stuff. So she still has a ton of school supplies. And so as you go throughout the year, always think of the liquidation station in New Baden, Illinois. She's got the school items 50% off right now, and so it's a really good time to come and just pick up a lot of these items. So we've got glue, and we've got pencil cases, and we've got lots of different things in notebooks and all of that kind of stuff. And so we have lots of stuff available for that. We've got locker stuff and just composition books, markers and pencils and pens and calculators, and you name it, she's got it. So if you need anything, it's almost like a Target discount store here. So really fun stuff. So we've got even some fun craft things available as well. And so just lots to see at the liquidation station in New Baden, Illinois. Just a reminder, we are on Labor Day weekend, so we have a discount code, so you can get 10% off everything at the Hooked on Pickin online web store. So 10% off, just type in the promo code Labor Day. You'll see it shooting across your screen there. And so Labor Day is, we want to offer that to you. It's going to be today, Sunday, and Monday. So you get it all 3 days. So get that 10% off. Maybe you stock up on that Christmas stuff. But anytime there's a holiday, we like to pass those savings along to you. So we've got still some more things at the liquidation station, but wanted to plug in that discount code for you. We will be giving you the numbers of what we made in the last couple of weeks at the liquidation station. So stay tuned for that. I'll do the breakdown so you know exactly how much we made at our retail space. Oh, cute pug there. We got some hangers. We've got lots of miscellaneous items here. Anything you want for decor, she has got it. So even if it's not on the shelves, you can always ask her. Most likely she's got it in the back somewhere, and she can go on the hunt for you. She's also got a website too. All of the details are down in the description of the video below. So we still have some Christmas stuff coming up, so we've got lots of that available, some clothing. And then one thing that I did want to mention, we've got some curtains and bedding sets. Lots of fun things there available. Pillows, all brand new in package, never been used, so it's a really, really good thing. But she has got costumes, and more costumes. This is only literally like a glimpse into the amount of costumes she has. Most likely, she's got even more on the shelf. So she's got kids' costumes, adults' costumes. So if you need costumes for Halloween, come in and get it. Costumes, and more costumes. We've still got one of our cornhole sets left, so hoping to sell that sometime in the future. So that's a Carolina Panthers one. See, look at all the costumes. And this is literally only a snippet. She was actually putting out loads and stacks while we were there. And so if you need a costume for Halloween, contact her. She could probably even ship it to you. Just let her know what you're looking for. If you're looking for a little girl, little boy, an adult costume, she probably has it. So we've got lots more Christmas stuff here available and clothing items available. And so if you need anything Christmas related, she has got it. So go ahead and stock up. We're going to wander over. She has a beautiful Halloween display in the front window. So we're going to actually wander on over there and go check it out, so that we can see all of the awesome stuff that she has there. Of course, she has really fun things, gift boxes, and this is her toy section here. So a lot of that is all available on this section here. And then we're going to wander on over to her neat, awesome Halloween display. There's our end cap there, and then we're going to come over here. So she's got a lot of purses, handbags, and book bags that are over here on this section. She has a much smaller candy section now, but if you need a purse or a handbag, come here and find it. She's got a bunch of clothing laid out also on these back shelves, which are really nice. Some pillows, throw pillows, really fun ones for teens' rooms. They've got text me written on them and things like that. A lot of intimates there. Here's some more costume stuff. And here is all her cute Halloween pumpkin decor. And if you contact her, she could probably ship any of these items to you. So just give her an email and shoot her a message, and she could probably get them to you. Look at all the cute different kind of pumpkins. October 31st, trick or treat. Some cool. Those little trees have glitter all over them, so they're super cute. Look at this. The neighbors have the good candy. I love that little pumpkin. So just tons and tons of pumpkins and Halloween decor. She's even got inflatables, some more cute little painted pumpkins, and anything you can imagine to decorate your house for Halloween. So really, really fun stuff. All available. So you need to come on over to the liquidation station or contact her if you don't live close and say, hey, I would love to get some of that stuff. But last but not least, here is our end cap, and you can see it right here at the liquidation station. And so thanks. Okay, so we have the numbers for week 11 and week 12 down at the liquidation station. Before I get started, though, I wanted to remind you that we have a discount code for this weekend. In honor of Labor Day, the discount code will be Labor Day. So make sure you go ahead. It should be popping up across the screen. You're going to get 10% off everything on the store. And just a reminder, we're having a big popcorn sale. But let's get straight to the numbers. All right. So week 11, we do it in 3 different categories: food, toys, and miscellaneous. So we'll go ahead and start with our food category. So week 11, our food, we sold 1 bag of popcorn. Woohoo! For $5.49. All right. Then we're going to move on to toys. Toys, our total for week 11 is $37.91, with our big seller being the My Little Pony nail polish set. We actually sold 2 of those sets, so that totaled out to be $15 of the $37.91. Then our third category is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous can be various different things, but our total there is $59.96. And our big bopper there was we sold a bottle of the Tequila Gold men's cologne for $19.99. So we did pretty good that week, and our grand total for week 11 is $103.36. So we usually try to hit that $100 mark, and we did that week. So let's move on to week number 12. Week number 12, of course, we'll do food, and we'll do toys and miscellaneous. Toys seem to be a great seller for us. We readjusted some things. You already saw on the video that we put a lot more toys down there because they love it. So let's go ahead and do food for week 12. Our total is $14.97, with our big seller on that being our candy club jars. We sold 2 of the candy club jars for a total of $11 of the food section. Then we actually didn't sell any popcorn that week. It was a miracle. So we sold Candy Club and Jelly Bellies. All right, then in our toy category, that equals out to $60.42, with our big sellers being those mermaid tails, which I'm so thankful sell at the store, because although we have them available online, they're just a lot easier because of the big and bulkiness of them to just sell them in the retail space. So we sold 2 of those last week to help that toys category. And then we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous, we made $40.96, with our big seller being the flameless LED candle set. And so our total for week 12 is $116.35. So we're doing really good down at the retail space at Liquidation Station. Don't forget about your 10% discount code. Labor Day is the code. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you love it. If you are anywhere near the St. Louis area, the Liquidation Station is in New Baden, Illinois. Go check it out. All of the details for it is down in the description below if you need the address. They are open Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays. And also, don't forget, we're doing our fire sales on Thursdays now at Central Standard Time right here on this YouTube channel. So if you'd like to join our fire sales, come at Central Standard Time, noon, right here on the YouTube channel.